Good morning, everyone. Sorry I can't be with you today. I need to take care of some things with my parents. So I want to walk you through what's going to happen today. So if you look at the screen here, you can see the folder for Schoology. The first one is a video that's a song of States of Matter that I thought would be a fun way to start the day. The next two assignments open up in your Google Drive. And they work both the same way. So when I open them up, it will look like this, and it's going to have a link to a website. So you want to make sure that you click on that website, and notice that, so click on the website and it will bring you to this. Now, this is an interactive activity, so it's got videos here that you'll play, and then once the video is done, then up at the top where it says page 1 of 8, up on the top right over here, that's where you're going to click to go through from one page to the next. So you can see this is page 2 that works through some of the vocabulary, and you can scroll up. Now, it has questions at the bottom, but what I've done, that's what this document is. So you can see on page 1, there's one question that you want to answer. And then when you move on to page 2, there's a handful of other questions. When you get to, hold on, sorry, there we go, page 3, and again, same thing, play the video to get the information. Page 4 is where it starts into like a little quiz review, and you can see this one's already done, but you're just working through this, and you're going through pages 1 through 6 to answer these questions. And like I said, in Schoology, there's 2 of them. So the first one's on physical properties of matter, and then the second one is on states of matter. So it's 6 slides, basically, that you're going to do for each of them and answer the questions on the 6 slides. And each slide has different activities and things that you're going to do to help you answer those questions. So hope that helps you for today. You know, well, it's in Google Drive, so I'll have access to your documents, but you want to complete these 2 documents today using those websites. And the links for the websites, don't forget, are on the very top here. So when I click here, I can open this website and it takes me to where I need to go. All right, I hope to see you tomorrow, and email me or reach out. I'll try to have access to my phone at least throughout the day. Take care. Bye.